Welcome to Best Car Fixes. We have a Jeep here, Jeep Patriot. We have a problem. Transmission was no good. They changed the transmission. Okay, but still you have a check engine light on and the transmission still doesn't shift. I have, as usual, we work with Tech Authority, White Tech 2. I have a subscription for 3 days. This is how it works, how it look. Okay, I gotta go to device, go here, connect, hopefully it's clear. Okay, and then I will choose my car tag. I use car tag. Device is connected now. When the device connect, it will take you here. You gotta put your username, password. Okay, now sign in. Now I'm gonna click on next. Open this. You're gonna see this is the car. We have 24 DTC. Now I'm gonna see all the DTC. Close this one here. There's a TSB, engine computer flash, all codes, right side seat, satellite region mismatch, transmission ratio control, transmission ratio, calibration mismatch, TCM calibration mismatch. Wow, active. Transmission ratio correct, satellite. I don't know what that means. Left front wheel speed sensor. Battery, right front wheel speed sensor, evap, tire pressure, low beam, high beam. Okay, I need to do one thing here. Also, I like to put all my vehicle scan report, create PDF. Then I will create, oh, where they go? Let me turn the key off, engine off. Okay, I'm going to create PDF here. Print. Yes, and then print. VIN number 12703. I finish with how I save it. Now I'm going to go back. Okay, go here, vehicle selection. I will try to clear all this code and see what's gonna happen. DTC, clear all the codes, continue, close, calibration mismatch, battery, right, transmission ratio control circuit. Okay. Let me go back to guidance, restore vehicle configuration, continue. Oh, I cancel it, sorry about that, by mistake maybe. It's not easy to get that one. Close this. Yeah, my friend, because I make a mistake there. So I'm gonna check update. Now I connect device J24 car tag. والله ما أعرف يمكن لزوه. I'm not sure. Okay. I'm gonna go here. Okay, now here we have 6 codes. I want to see what code I have. Close this. All DTC. Right, set the transmission control ratio. Calibration mismatch. Let me save this one too. 5512703. Before and after. Print. Second time save. Okay, now what you need to do now, topology. Okay, I gotta go here and I will do one thing quick. Guide, restore vehicle configuration, continue. Don't push cancel. Writing success. After you need to please shut off ignition for 1 minute. Unplug the diagnostic tool and wait for like 1 minute. I'm gonna unplug it for both of them. Okay, I'm gonna wait for 1 minute. Then we come back. Okay, now I'm gonna put it back. Okay, now return to vehicle. Hopefully I will be able to communicate again. If it's not, I will try again. Okay, let me see here. Vehicle, it doesn't work again. Sometimes it loses connection. If you try to do it from here also, sometimes you get it, sometimes not. I'm gonna start over. It doesn't matter. Device connected. DTC. Satellite calibration mismatch. Right low beam, left low beam. Calibration mismatch. Transmission ratio circuit control. Close. Transmission control ratio circuit calibration mismatch. Go to transmission, go to topology, transmission, DTC, battery disconnected, TCM internal, configuration, function, TCM initialization, wow. Continue. CVT initialization. Close. DTC. Clear it. Continue. Close. Let's see if there's any flash. Cancel. I don't want to flash with the same number. Cancel. Detail. There is a problem. Say calibration mismatch and transmission ratio circuit. Okay, calibration mismatch, transmission ratio sensor. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video.
Don't need to be refreshed.